Right. So if you want to learn ethical hacking or practice cybersecurity tools safely, you need the right operating system. And that operating system is Kali Linux. Kali Linux comes preloaded with hundreds of cybersecurity tools used for penetration testing, digital forensics, and even security research. But instead of installing Kali Linux directly on our computer, we're going to run it inside Oracle virtual machine known as VirtualBox. This keeps our main system safe while we build a cybersecurity lab. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and go to kali.org. All right. Kali.org. Always download security tools from the official website to avoid malware. All right. Thereafter, you scroll down, you go to pre-built VMs. Yeah, that's it. We'll click on pre-built VMs, and that takes us to where we can actually. So now we'll opt for VirtualBox. All right. I'll click on download. I think that's 3.5 gigabytes. So it might take a couple of minutes or seconds, depending on your internet speed, to get this downloaded. All right. So now that we're done, we'll open the file location. And once we open the file location, we'll extract the file. All right. We'll extract the file. You can use, if you have 7-zip, you can use that. But for the purpose of this demo, we're just using our Windows extract for this. All right. So we'll extract the file inside the folder, and thereafter we'll get to see a .vbox file. All right. So now the extraction is done. Double click on it. Then you see the .vbox file, which is the blue one. Yeah. So we'll just double click on the blue one, and immediately it automatically, what it does is it automatically imports our Kali Linux into VirtualBox. And as you can see, we fire up the virtual machine, give it a few seconds, or should I say between 1 to 2 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, that should suffice. And it should be able to fire up your virtual machine. And it also comes with default username and password. So the default credentials is Kali as your username and Kali as your password. All right. So you use that to log in, and thereafter you have access to hundreds of cybersecurity tools that you can actually use to practice this safely in your own contained environment. All right, so we'll log in with Kali as username, Kali as password, and thereafter we'll proceed. But I'll walk you through the process. It's just one step at a time, and you get to understand better how to utilize these tools. All right, I hope you found this video very useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Cheers.